Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids and welcome to my continued coverage of the Canon EOS 550D. If you want to see my earlier 550D videos, which include an unboxing and product tour, please check my main YouTube channel page or the Geekanoids website. In this video I'll be giving you a tour of the menus of the 550D, but before I do that, here's a quick rundown on the main specifications. You get an 18 megapixel sensor in this camera, 3.7 frames per second continuous shooting, a full 1920 by 1080p HD movie capture, and a 3-inch 3:2 format screen with a really high 1040p resolution. Let's just show you that screen very quickly. This is one of the photos I took in one of my tests. This screen is absolutely wonderful, and the 3:2 format actually means you don't get any black bars top and bottom. Well, that's not what this video is about. I'm going to play you a little bit of music now and just run you through the menu options on the 550D. As you can see, there are so many configurable options on the 550D. It's available body only in the UK for $799, or with various kit lens combinations such as the 18 to 55mm IS lens for £899. Check out Park Cameras, who got some of the first stock in the UK. Well, that's it for this video. Check back on the Geekanoids channel soon for more EOS 550D videos, including one showing you the photo and video performance. This video review is sponsored by EasyDraw, making drawing fun on Mac OS X.